possible for him to extend that any farther.
Pull this off.
The lazy boy. Nice. A one-handed heart attack. The rock solid to Indy.
You see that? The rigor mortis. Oxecutionar.
Oh, yeah.
But here we go.
Oh! Oh, my goodness. That was massive.
KOD.
KOD backflip. The Paris Hilton flip. Yes, and he pulls it off.
Yes.
Double grab flip. Oh my goodness, what on earth happened there?
What do we got?
Oh, it's a double backflip. Oh, that's perfect. 360 whips it out. I mean, I like that. I like that variation a lot.
I love watching do that 360. 360 heel clicker.
Perfect.
Perfect.
And
then another body burial.
Yikes. Oh my goodness, California roll. Nice.
This is Electric Doom. So that out of the gate. Special flip. Here we go. 5-4. It's a big one for him. Nice. Looks good.
The landing is there. Flair 540 tsunami combo.
Wow.
Here comes a bike flip for Pages. Watch it. There it is. Does he get it?
I got my fingers crossed.